at, on, in, at is used for time, on is used for days, in is used for months or seasons. She will arrive at the airport at 9 a.m.
We will have our meeting on Monday.
I like to read books in the evening. The movie starts at 7:30 p.m. He has a doctor's appointment on Tuesday. We wear warm clothes in winter. They have a family dinner at 6 p.m. We play football on Sunday. He started his new job in September. She attends yoga classes at 7 a.m. They go to the gym on Monday. We usually go on vacation in July.